Shopify Point of Sale. How to get paid. Shopify POS can be used to accept payments. Shopify Point of Sale makes it easy to accept payments at any time and from anywhere. You can also track your inventory and sales all from one place. What's the best thing? It is very easy to get paid. We'll show you how to get started using Shopify POS to accept payments and grow your business. Click the link below and one of our merchant specialists will be happy to get you situated for Shopify POS payment processing. That's it. Now you can start accepting payments. How to accept payments using Shopify POS. Now that your point of sale system is set up, it's time for you to accept payments. Simply swipe or insert the customer's debit or credit cards into the card reader. After payment is received, the receipt will automatically be emailed to the customer. It's easy. Shopify POS makes it easy to take payments wherever you are at any time. Shopify Point of Sale makes it easy to track your inventory and sales from a single location. Easy to set up and easy to accept payments. Don't wait. Shopify POS can help you grow your business unlike anything before. To speak with one of our specialists about getting your Shopify POS ready to accept customer payments, click the link below.